Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I am officially on vacation. Monday, first day of vacation, summer break. And yesterday I did a video of outfit of the day, and I was thinking, with so many layers, it's just the structure is so messy. I thought that was just the most ridiculous outfit. And then I got a lot of friends saying that the layer is good. The layer is tea. I don't understand. Anyway, so I was thinking maybe I should try to layer again with a different outfit. Let's see. Oh, airplane. So here is the outfit. Okay, let's see. So this is the. Do you see it? So this is the outfit, and okay, I will move to the lake to do it. Okay, let's see. So this is the outfit. Oh, airplane. So I will do the full-on layering. Okay, it's very, very comfortable, and the pants it's pajama pants. See, and it's very, very comfortable. I can move around. I can kick. I can do whatever I like. So comfortable. Okay, move up a little bit. Okay, I think this is better. Yes. So this is the outfit. Because I didn't go just going anywhere. I went back to school. I need to clean up something. So I need to be able to move, to kneel down, to climb up, and to pick up things. All so comfortable. And my typical little apron to put my scissors, to put my glue stick, tape, pen, sticker. Is this straight? Looks so strange. That's me. Just being silly makes me happy. Does it make you happy? Being silly is really a very, very happy feeling. Okay, just a little bit of nature for you to enjoy your day. This is so beautiful, isn't it? It is fun to see something new, to see something different, to discover a different shape, to discover our neural network. Isn't it? Looks similar. Yeah, okay. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Gulu gulu bye, bye. And I feel so good because I have endless time in my hand. That feels so good. Oh, look at my hair. Oh, this is pretty, this hair.